Hi guys, I have a package here. So, dito pa lang bango-bango na niya. So, alam ko na yung, of course, alam ko na yung laman nito. And I want to show you kung ano yung binili ko. So, this is the sage. So, this is the white sage. And then, this is the, I believe this is the cedar sage. And then, ito yung palo santo ko. Ang dami, no? And then, I have dragon's blood sage. And then, I got the lavender sage. So, yung sage kasi ginagamit ko para mag-cleanse, mag-purify ng energy around the house or around the room. So, ang usual na ginagamit ko talaga is itong white sage. So, itong white sage na to is pang-purify, pang-cleanse ng energy. So, usually, pag yung parang feeling ko negative yung energy na nararamdaman ko sa isang room, o kaya kapag halimbawa may bisita ako, and then, usually, ginagamit ko rin ito pagkalabas niya. Or kapag, for me lang din, pag negative yung energy ko around me, ito rin yung ginagamit ko within myself. So, sinesage ko rin yung sarili ko. So, hindi lang yung home, hindi lang yung room, pati yung sarili mo, yung gamit mo, sinesage para mag-cleanse and mag-purify. Ito namang si Dragon's Blood kasi ginagamit naman siya kung gusto mo ma-amplify ang energy mo. Like, for example, if you are seeking more, yung emotions mo, ma-amplify talaga niya yung intentions mo, yung manifestation mo, since Dragon's Blood is more about yung amplification ng power, mas magiging powerful yung pag-manifest mo. And then, this is the Dragon's Blood. Kita mo, ganda na. And this is the white sage. Normally, ginagamit ito. And then, we have the cedar sage. Yung cedar sage naman, ito naman yung yung pang-grounding. Kapag feeling mo yung unbalanced ka emotionally, mentally, and yung energy mo talaga unbalanced na. So, ito yung ginagamit mo para mag-ground ka. So, ang tinatawag nila dun sa spiritual world is you need to ground yourself. Kapag feeling mo is talagang hindi mo na wala ka sa balance when it comes to emotions, your thoughts, your actions. So, you need to balance yourself. So, ito yung cedar. And this is also for protection. Ito siya. And then, this lavender sage is more on, of course, yung stress relief.